Just by doing this one thing different, this faceless TikTok page has been able to bring in millions of views even from their very first video. What they did is they took the attributes of faceless stock footage videos and faceless AI videos and combined them together to form the ultimate viral video formula, which is almost guaranteed to gain you lots of views every single time. And it's actually quite easier to do than you think, and you don't need any editing skills. In fact, in this video, I'll show you how easy it is to recreate their most viral video in just about 10 minutes using AI, but I will make them ultra realistic. And all will be done using this one AI tool with just a single click of a button, from generating customized avatars, adding voiceovers, AI avatar animation, face swapping, voice cloning. Open ChatGPT. I'll tell ChatGPT to act like a doctor and share 10 useful health tips about a specific fruit or routine. These tips should be helpful, accurate, and include lots of details about the benefits, nutrients, or routines. They should be useful for a wide range of audiences. Once we get these tips, I'll ask ChatGPT turn each one into a short video script. Each script should be no more than 250 words. Each video should start with an interesting question or statement to grab the viewer's attention. You can go to Vidnos AI and sign up for free, which gives you free credits daily. Once you're in, click on avatars and scroll down to where you can find this AI avatar tag doctor. Hover over it and click on this portrait format. Now paste your script here. Before making the video, it's a good idea to add a nice background. To do that, click here and choose a suitable background. You can also find better options in the materials section, which has Unsplash, a popular stock footage site, integrated. Let's use this one. Right-click and set it as the background. Now let's add some background music. Make sure to turn this on and choose the music that fits the video best. The site will automatically add the music to the background. Finally, click the Generate button. If you plan to upload these videos on YouTube Shorts, avoid using background music from this site. It's done producing the video. Let's check it out.
Ever feel like you need a little extra oomph to start your day? Well, forget the caffeine jolt.
Wow, I can't even tell if it's real or AI generated at this point. If you think the same, then hit those two juicy buttons under this video to like and subscribe, because why not? Now to download it, go back. It's best to download it in 720 resolution because social media platforms usually lower the video quality to 720p anyway, then jump straight to step 3. Now let's add subtitles to make our video easy to understand. We'll use the free app CapCut to do this. First, go to CapCut and sign up if you don't have an account already. Now add our AI doctor video to the timeline. Click on the captions button, then select auto captions to automatically generate subtitles. The auto subtitles will be long sentences, so we need to shorten them by dragging the subtitles text to only 2 to 3 words per line. Now let's bring them up somewhere in the middle. Then click here to apply a preset. You can also change the font and make it bold. Now I will work on making this video more visually engaging for viewers. CapCut has lots of effects we can try. This one to add at the start, and here is another to apply to the whole video. Make sure to drag it right above the video so it doesn't affect the subtitles. Next is to cut the video into clips of 5 to 10 seconds each. Now make every other clip zoomed in closer. Export to save your video. Behold the final result.
Ever feel like you need a little extra oomph to start your day? Well, forget the caffeine jolt. There's a natural way to jumpstart your morning. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it's nature's own energy bar, packed with fiber and natural sugars. So, next time you're reaching for that cup of coffee, grab an apple instead. Your body will thank you for the wholesome, refreshing boost. Small change, big difference.
Now let's compare them to the ones already going viral. It's obvious that ours is much better than the competition. Now the only task remaining is to upload these videos on a regular basis with attractive descriptions and improve based on stats, which only requires a few minutes of your time and dedication.